I've made this link tree so it's easier for you guys to get into contact with me. If you want to find out more about the course, it's over on my Buy Me a Beer. If you want to simply get into contact with me, it's over on my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram. How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Quant update. Thank you guys for your patience. I know I said I was going to make a video on the weekend. Unfortunately, just didn't get the time to do so. Was watching the football, even though my team's absolutely trash. We won. Tottenham won, thank goodness. We're not getting top four, but upwards and onwards with Quant. Forget the football. I did make some posts on Twitter, so please make sure you're following my Twitter. Again, I wasn't able to make a YouTube update, but yeah, there were some Twitter updates, so you can find that all on my link tree. Again, my link tree is in the top right corner. There's an information button, or in the description and comment section down below. You can find my link tree. You can personal message me on my Twitter or Instagram. That's where you can take action on the course, the membership levels, as well as the one-to-one mentorship. Go check out my Buy Me a Beer link over on my link tree. You're going to find a lot of new membership levels. If you want private TA, if you want one-to-one mentorship session every single month, guys, there's more information on long-term investments all on my Buy Me a Beer link on my link tree, and that's in the description or top right corner. Now with Quant, the Twitter updates that I did make, I mentioned this high or low, this bullish support being held. So when we zoom out and we're looking at Quant over here, the main level for me that needs to be held, and the level that I was saying we're going to come back down to, which was 120 back over here, I was saying at all costs, of course, re-entry at 120 after selling at 220, about 2 to 220 over here, looking for re-entry on the 200. We went a little bit lower, and so we started talking about a dead cat bounce scenario, and this will play out if $100, that psychological level, will be lost. So that's why I've always marked out this level for you guys. I'm just doing it again, so you know that going forward, we can't lose this key level of support. If it is lost, it's going to open potential bearish targets to the downside. So I'm just going to show you very quickly. This will create a descending triangle over here. And all you do is measure from the top of it to the bottom. And you put down the breakdown. And this will only happen with $100 being lost. And the target would be a target of $44, $44. That would be a dump of about 55%. So be aware, this could happen. There are key levels of support along the way that can hold in between $84 and $92 over here. There is some support as well on $78 over here on this wick. But as long as we are above 100, I'm not too focused on those specific levels. Only once $100 is lost, then I'll be looking at those targets. I'll say, guys, we've lost 100, we've validated those targets. We're going to go to those targets as long as we stay below 100. And if we get back above, so this would be a moment where we are below. So over here, we're at, let's say, 89. Guys, we're below 100. I'm going to say every day, as long as we stay below 100, we could come to 100. That's still below. And we're going to continue to those targets. If we then reclaim 100, we're no longer going to those targets. I try and make that quite easy to follow on the channel. Hopefully that is. Let me know if not. Again, I have all the things in place for you to succeed as a trader. If you want to become a self-sufficient trader that's not even reliant on myself, I have all the information that you need. You just need to put in the hard work, and you can find all of this on my Buy Me a Beer links, as I showed you at the beginning of the video. You can wait until the end. I'll show you exactly in detail how you can take action on those offers. But the offer on my course, again, for the last 2 weeks, my course was down to £90 from £150. Unfortunately, now that's over. 2 people were lucky enough to just slip in today over on my buy me a beer thing. 2 people slipped in at like 9:30 and 10:30 this morning. So I let them get away with it because I didn't actually change the price on the website. So well done to those 2 getting it discounted for extra day. But over here for Quant, in my Twitter update, we were essentially saying that this bullish support over here is holding. I'm going to get rid of it. I'm just going to show you why it's the bullish support from the low to the high. We see that this green box is actually in between the 618 and the 0.5 fib at $116 to $123. And as long as this holds, we're not creating a reversal wave. Do you see how the fibs are telling us after this big wave up over here from this point to there, we need to come back down towards this green area, and we should hold this green area. We can't come down to the 786 in which we did. And I told you guys actually from this moment over here at 131, we were actually not going to come into here. We were going to come all the way back down to 106. Look at that, 106. It was our technical target. I'll show you exactly why it was our target, from the highest wick there to the lowest body right there. Put that on the breakdown and we can see the target 106 exactly on the 786. Look, 106 right there, 106. Get rid of that. And there we can see when the pattern star was met, we reversed and we called for that reversal to retest that neckline again. So this gold box is here for a reason. Going to get rid of these fibs because we can see that, yes, we came to the 786. Maybe I can even put a wick support over there as well. Maybe even draw a box between 100 and 106, just like that, to signal that it is somewhat of a support. And we can see after this big impulse, we retraced down to the 786. We retraced just like that, but then we reclaim the golden pocket. Stop right there. So there's the confirmation that we reclaimed the golden pocket because we burst up through it. Sorry, I know it's green, but call it golden pocket. We burst through it after the loss. We burst through, came back in, confirmed its support right there, looked for that continuation. So what we were setting up over here was a double bottom pattern. So here's the first leg, here's the neckline, here's the second leg over here. So this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to form this double bottom and our neckline is $131. This was actually the neckline of this descending triangle over here with the $106 target. We met the target, reversed, came back into there, coming back down for confirmation of this, because again, we should never have lost it in the first place. We only lost it because we needed to meet a pattern's target. And so after meeting it, we reclaimed it, confirmed its support. Maybe you can even say a small little double bottom is forming over here. But guys, at all costs, I need to see this range of $100 to 106 being held consistently. Otherwise, we're going to validate those patterns targets much, much lower. The fibs even prepare you for that. They say this is what should be held. You can come down lower to this level, but we need to reclaim the one above. And if all of this is lost, it prepares you with all these targets. Again, what were the targets we were talking about early in the video? $44, $45. And look right there, the 2414 target. So the fibs itself are saying if the $100 is lost, we are looking at all of these targets. And I've mentioned these higher levels in the videos before. Remember, I just drew an area between 94, between, was it 93 and 84. That's very nicely tying up with the 1272, but also we have that wick over here at 77. So look in between there. So maybe you could even drag this box lower if you wanted. And there's another area of support. We also got the 1618. Look at that. Where's the 1618? Exactly on that wick. That wick we can say is a double bottom neckline over here. And then once you break the neckline, we're going up. See, look, that's the 1618. So even if we were to get out down there, that's a key area of resistance that needs to be tested support to go up. So I'm not looking at any of these bearish targets. I'm preparing you with all the supports. The target, it was all the way down at 45. We've got this as acting as confluence. We've got other levels of support anyway marked out over here. And then the fibs are telling me these are key levels of support as well. So just a lot of confluence. If you don't know what that means, it just means like further confirmation, just more things agreeing with you, just extra things agreeing with your bias or whatever you want to call it. So what I'm personally looking for, as long as all these levels hold, I do understand we're going to keep getting this bearish suppression while we're underneath this. But I do believe as long as these key levels of support hold, it's going to give us this opportunity of breaking out. And if we can validate this double bottom over here, which we already did over here with this older one, here's a double bottom, we broke out, this is our neckline. It's the same neckline again, guys, just here's our new double bottom. So let's now break out, come back up to 160 just as we did there, but we can see we'd be breaking out of this downtrend, and with that would actually signal for a target all the way back up here. So this is why in the Twitter updates and the last YouTube updates I was talking about a 200 plus target for Quant, and we can see if that's all happening, if this was a double bottom here and this is a double bottom here and that's breaking out, this would create a much larger double bottom. And this is another thing which I've been mentioning in my videos. So this is what we could be looking at going forward as long as $100 is being held. Guys, make sure you are checking out my Buy Me a Beer link I'm going to show you how to do that right now, but please do like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you in my Discord community. You can find all the links here on my link tree. That's in the top right corner in the description down below. Here there's actually more information on the course and the mentorship. You hit the buy me a beer link, you can find, if you go to the booking section, the discount for my course that will last until the end of this week. So Monday this will go back to 150. So if you want to take action on the course, it's 35 videos, it's 6 hours long. You don't need any knowledge whatsoever. You can already be a skilled trader. That's totally fine. These are my personal strategies. There's even strategies in here that I don't personally use but still work. So you have a choice of what sort of strategies that you can build for yourself. I was scammed multiple times. I'll go through my story. You'd actually be surprised that I'm standing here today, but I had a never give up attitude, and that's the only way you're going to succeed. Again, this course has every single thing that you need, but without putting in the hard work, you're not going to be able to achieve your goals essentially. So it's all about being disciplined. You're going to be part of my group anyway, so you'll have my long-term investments, and I'd go through my past trades as well. So we go through them and my thought process of while I'm in the trade as well, we go ahead and do that. So that's pretty much it for today's update. Please do like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell so you know when these videos are coming out. If you can share, that would be great. So retweet, share the video with your friends. So yeah, I hope to see you in my Discord community. You can find more information on just joining the Discord if you don't want to do the course. There is 2 slots on my mentorship, and that's over down here. So 10 lessons, 1 hour each, and you get my course included as well as the chat. So if you just want to see how the mentorship sessions go, you can actually just book one single session. A few people have done that in the last few days. I've already done one of the sessions with Anthony. So thank you guys for the support. Again, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.